Today is a beautiful day, so I'm just going back from school, and I decided that so many days passed I didn't upload any vlogs because I was not going anywhere. So today I decided, as the weather is very beautiful and it's snowy here in Duisburg, so I thought I will record that small video to show you my way to home. So I hope you will enjoy this beautiful weather. So it's like already it's been snowing for 2 hours. This path is very beautiful because the 4 seasons I have actually witnessed the impact of 4 seasons here. Like in the spring it's lush green, in summer it's very bright and beautiful, in winter and autumn you can see it's really nice and beautiful, and we have a small stream there, so it gives out very beautiful view in all seasons. So this is my walk from school to the train station every single day until I will get my driving license, so can enjoy the roads. The driving license procedure here, it's very tricky, and the biggest problem is the appointment. So to get my license converted here, because in Europe the license of Dubai driving license is not equally exchanged, and still you have to give out the test. The beauty of this snow falling at the moment is it's very steady, very calm, very soft. Last year it was either very fast or heavy or very slow. So that's really beautiful, I can say. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying my walk. Actually, I enjoy my morning walk, and this time, so it looks really beautiful. It makes me fresh while going to work, and it still makes me fresh. I'm not tired at all when I go back home. So the snow gets a bit heavier, and I'm on the main road now, just a few steps away from the train station, and I can show you the other side. It's really looking amazing, beautiful. So this is the road. Now I will record it on all 4 seasons to show the beautiful impact of weather on this beautiful scene. It's the small green passage. I think this is the hotel. This is a small lake. It's giving a very beautiful sight in the snow falling in winter. Beautiful. The nature is beautiful. So there I have reached to the station. This is the background. Nice and beautiful. So it says the train is 20 minutes late. No choice but to wait. So after sitting in the train, my journey started, and it's white everywhere. It's really beautiful. Now I have reached on my station, and the snow falling has almost stopped now, but the things are quite still white, and I hope you enjoy my small vlog. Nowadays I'm not going anywhere. The schools are started and the holidays are over, but as soon as I'll start traveling, I'll start making vlogs again. By then, goodbye.